So in today's video we are going to learn how to install VirtualBox and set it up properly on a Linux installation. So there are two ways you can install it. First is using console or a command line interface or using a GUI. You can use any GUI based package managers. I'm not going to show you that because it's too easy. So for installing on my particular installation, I'm using Manjaro installation, which is based on Arch. So I'm using pacman, and the command is sudo pacman -s VirtualBox. So it will be the same question when you are going to try and install it on a GUI, that which VirtualBox host modules do you want. So these Linux 5644, they are based on kernels, so you have to search about which kind of which kernel are you running on, or find a command that shows you which kernel you are running. I am using this KDE version, so I can just go to settings and kernel, where I can see that I am running 5.6, so it will be Linux 56, so it will be the sixth one, and it will just download it and install it. Okay, so now that is installed, I can just go and run it. Alright, the second thing you have to download is extension pack. You can just open up a browser, and you can do it my way, or you can just search for your specific version. I usually just go to download VirtualBox and usually just add this URL, download.virtualbox.org/virtualbox. It will give you an index of the VirtualBox versions and the specific modules and everything that you will need. In VirtualBox, you can find out which version you are running by going to help and about VirtualBox. You can see it here. It is 6.1.8 and release number 137981. So you have to go, these are RCs and betas, you have to go look about that 1.8, and in that you have to download this one, because it has, you can just use it this one as well, but I prefer to go as specific as I can. So I have already downloaded that. It is on the desktop. You can just double click it, and it will pop up an installation. So it allows you to use USB 2.0, RDP, host webcam, NVMe encryption right now. You can just install it or anyway. And the problem that most people face is this. I have a removable device installed. It's a Manjaro KDE installation based, or it can be any kind of USB device. And let's just make a quick Linux. Is VM. Okay, yeah, you can just, because it's not what I'm going to show you. You see this USB device filters. There are no devices, but as you can clearly see, I have a Linux based pen drive installed, but it won't show up here. So this is because you have in order to access the USB devices and all buses, you have to add your user to a specific group called vboxusers, and you can use this command where I have typed my username Nox. You can clearly just type your if I have my username as Nick or something like that, Nick X or something, you can just replace it. I have my Nox, so I will just do it as I have done. And now I have to go back, sign out, and come again. Now we are back into the rest of it again. I have just signed out and signed in again, or you can just reboot the whole machine. Now if we go to settings, USB, and try to edit here it is. Here I can see that USB disk is detected. So this is the problem that most people face. You have to install the USB extension pack in order to see it as USB 2.0 or 3.0 devices.